Hello. What's up, Muchinaya? What's up, Muchinaya gang? Muchinaya squad. Come back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a slime video. The slime is already made, but I'm going to show you how to reactivate your slime. Because my slime is not very activated. It just look like that, but it's really not. My slime is so sticky. Let me show you how to make your slime not sticky that much, and a little sticky, and lots of stretchiness. So what I'm gonna do, I got my container. Alright, where's the remote? Here I come. I guess gotta look for it.
I'm sorry.
Yes, I do know what the remote is at.
Take that down. I'll punch you break.
Give me my stuff. Huh. We don't got the remote. We don't got the remote.
What is this?
We looked at it, but it's not in there. Comment down if you guys got a Musical.ly page. If y'all guys got a Musical.ly page, go follow me at Janisha Braggs. If y'all don't know how to spell Braggs, Braggs. Okay. Y'all know how to spell Janisha, guys say Janisha. So right now, I'm confused. So let's see. So I guess it's your whole thing. What's it called? Chill. Daddy, I don't know the remote, so I'm gonna have to just change it on the box. We don't have the remote. It's not in my remote. Can you guys check that? Thank you, Lord.
Put that right there. Always do it there.
Stop, Lord. Stop. Get out. I stop. Okay. Should I see me? Get off the table. I'm trying to fix. Okay. Like this. Get off the table. Okay. Right there. And get unhardened. So guys, one thing I do is keep stretching it. Guys, and I'm gonna do slime. Okay, if you guys want to know the color, this is the color. It's stop! Get off the table. The color is purple glitter slime. You actually get the glitter and the activator at the same time. And $5 the glitter glue is only $1. If you want two things, like $2, $3, $4. That. What you doing in my room? Look, I see you in the little camera part.
Don't put me on shit.
I'm not putting it on you. You just in the camera. Making it really that. It look like. Guys, let's show you the glitter. Is gold, pink, pinkish purple. This one is so. I'm gonna do a Christmas party video. Christmas when we open our scents. Okay, guys, I got something to tell you. If y'all got a Musically, comment it down below.
Look at you recording yourself. Oh, look at that. Look, she got scared. Oh, yeah. Who got my keys on the floor?
Okay, guys, if you guys got a Musically page, if you got a Musically page, comment it down below and tag me in it so we can have a dance battle.
If I find it in my room, I'm gonna beat you because that means you touched it. I promise.
But
If I find it, I'm telling you.
and now it's not as sticky. So, like I was saying, till they kept erupting it. If you have a Musically page, comment down below so I can go follow you. I'ma react to Musicallys, and I'm gonna react to your Musically, and then when I do that, I'm gonna subscribe to your channel, follow you, and give you a give you likes about the Musically, okay? So what I'm trying to say is, get off the table! Don't touch that! Why do you do that? Weird.
What you found today? What you found today?
Okay, so it's stretchy now. Extra stretchy, crunchy. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to battle you guys. I'm going to tell y'all who's going to go first. Subscribe to my channel, this channel right now. Yeah, I want this line. Shorty said she looked at me and okay, I'm gonna stretch you already.
Escape or something. You said that shit? Arnold Schwarzenegger? The white dude, he go out overseas and shit. And they declare war in the United States. Shit. Like,
somebody just talked to me about that. Right? You were saying that they went over there, your niece and y'all saying that he went over there when he wasn't supposed to. And Korea, he didn't know Korea had a war against him.
Him too, but he made it and he got the fuck. They was killing motherfuckers left and right. Oh shit.
This one is crunchy. And I'm gonna make a slime video also. And then guys, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna react to Buy Me a Scully's. This one is pretty
Then I said, go put that shit up.
crunchy. I don't know what to do with it. Show you. I'm trying to make like a. Shorty. 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 Shorty.
You wanna play with me? Sit down. Sit down.
My sister. Hurry up, it's y'all. Y'all see me better? Here go my heart. Shorty said she loved me.
I'll be having them type of.
Thirsty is ice me out. Ice me out. Ice me out, nigga. Ice me out. The glitter not getting on my hands anymore, but it's still glittery. I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna make a video too with that one. When I get my nails done.
Where you know, blue ties? Which one?
This one, the one on the chest, the 3 names.
How much she be charged? She still going?
She got a quick. She got another tattoo.
Okay guys, so this is how you get your slime on sticky. You gotta stretch it, crunch it, do all that, stretch it some more, crunch it some more, twist it,